to the Concert Help channel. Today, we'll be covering how to create a system. To do so, head on over to your main menu, find Systems, click the little Add button. A system consists of an operating system and whatever software assets you choose to add. Your system can be virtual, template-based, or physical machine. To add a name, a description is optional. Select your operating system. Next, configure your system settings. Here you can change CPU count, memory, so have the option to add disk and to add additional capabilities to your system if it, for example, requires vGPU or nested virtualization. Next, install assets. In order to do so, find the asset card for the software asset, click on it, add to System Builder. To return to your System Builder, click View Details in the bottom left-hand corner, or click the green number next to Systems under Composites. Next, review your system, click Finish, and you now have your very own system. Be sure to use it wisely. If you'd like to watch more of these video tutorials, feel free to check out the Concert Help YouTube channel. Alternatively, you can visit the Concert Help site. And as always, the relevant links are in the video description down below. In the meantime, I hope you found this video helpful, and thank you for using Concert.